Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to use the custom parser. We have a variety of file formats that you can use to import your data, but sometimes your file is not among any of these. It is best to use the custom parser file format. For this, you have to have all 4 electrode configurations available in your file, meaning 2 currents and 2 potentials. You can open your file, set a delimiter, and then skip the number of the headers and also the number of rows that you want to read from your files. Let's say your file contains some information that are not data and they are just headers for your files. I am going to show you an example in here. From our examples directory, I'm going to select a simple file, which is a syscal file, and I open this. The syscal files by default have a comma separator, which is the default delimiter in our software. But in case it's not the case, you can see that you clearly will end up with something that does not make a lot of sense. So you have to select the correct delimiter and then reorder your data. The next step would be to select the electrode A, B, M, N, and if you have potentials, current, or transfer resistance, chargeability, phase shift, and all other columns available. For this file, we will be having potential and current, which are not shown in this video caption properly, unfortunately. And we are going to import our data. As you can see, you clearly see the pseudo section. You can contour it, and you can directly invert it. If you don't have a mesh, ResIPy will automatically creates a triangular mesh for you and invert the data on that mesh. It is always a good practice to clean up your data. That will make the inversion go a lot faster than this. As you can see, your data is inverted by a default mesh. You can contour this or select the minimum maximum values for your color bar and select from the variety of available color maps available. You also can change the sensitivity overlay depending on your prompt. If the inversion went well, again, the normal zero error will be between -3 and 3. Clearly, this inversion went well. Thank you for watching this video.